Alright guys, here we are in the living room. Very nice. They just renovated pretty recently.
Stop.
Oh. Stop. We got a step-in shower. Oh, nice. Nice marble vanity. We got a vent. We got a fan. Mirrors. It's nice. No bidet though. Oh.
You start talking.
Alright, I know being Sicilian, cooking is a very important thing, so having a nice kitchen is very important as well. Now we got a nice gas stove.
What then?
Here we are in the bonus space. We got the boiler. This is going to be updated by the time you guys move in. We got plenty of.
Thank you.
Come back.
Thank you.
Why you gotta touch
Ma sta casa è una piece of shit. No, sta casa non è buona. È vecchio. È vecchio. È vecchio.
Alright,
Ciao, siamo americano.
He said, have a great day, sir.
Alright, you too. Thank you.
C'è una cosa qua.